Hello, and welcome to this Workforce ID Quick Start video. In today's video, we'll be looking at how to add custom fields to the identities in Workforce ID. To begin, navigate to the Admin section of Workforce ID and choose the Custom Fields option on the left-hand side. Click Add to start adding a new custom field, and then give your custom field a name. Choose the field type, in our case it will be a text field, and then choose the field validation type. The field validation will run off of whatever is in the field validation field down at the bottom. In our case, our field will allow uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers 0 through 9, and the $sign. Make sure the status is set to active, and then click Save. We can find our new employee rank field by going to one of our users and selecting Custom Fields on the left-hand side. And you'll see that employee rank is there. That should be all you need to begin adding custom fields to Workforce ID.